To add game data to your project, right-click inside any folder in the project window. Select Create. Then choose the option called Game Data. A window will appear asking you to name your game data asset. This name is important. It will be used for 4 generated files, including C# code. Choose a name that reflects your game title or genre. After entering the name, press Create. Unity will now generate new files and recompile the project. When it finishes, you should see 4 new items. 2 C# source files, 1 JSON document that will contain your data, and 1 scriptable asset, which serves as your entry point into game data at runtime. In this tutorial, we will replace statically placed stars in the scene with dynamically spawned stars that are defined inside the JSON. This is a simplified example, but it demonstrates the fundamentals of data-driven game design. Select the game data asset in the project window. In the inspector, press the Edit button. Alternatively, you can double-click the asset to begin editing. This will open your local browser and display Charon's user interface. To define a new type for storing star information, press New Schema. Name the schema Star. Choose a star icon if you want for visual clarity. Add a Vector3 property to represent the position of each star. Add an Asset Path property to store the material used by each star. Press Save to create the schema. In the menu on the left, select the New Star schema. You will now see an empty document table. Press New Star to add a row. Fill in the ID, then enter the position and the material path. Add 3 stars to this table. When you have added them, press Save. This stores the new star data into the JSON document. Right now, the data exists only inside JSON. To generate C# code and import it into the game data asset, return to the Unity editor. Select the game data asset. Press Synchronize in the inspector. Now, the data has been imported into Unity. We will now use an already written star spawning C# script. This script accesses the documents in the game data asset, iterates through each entry, and instantiates stars into the scene. We will make one of the stars a template for the others. Set this template and the game data asset in the C# script parameters, and then use the C# script to instantiate the stars in the scene. Run the player to check the result. The stars have been successfully created using the game data parameters. If you change anything in your game data or add new document types, don't forget to click the Synchronize button in the inspector, or choose Re-import from the editor menu for game data asset. If you want to move game data files within the project, keep game data asset and its generated C# code files in the same .NET assembly. The JSON file, however, may be placed anywhere. It can even be stored inside streaming assets if you prefer.